there, my name is Zack Peterson. I'm a courts reporter for the Chattanooga Times Free Press. If you're watching this, it's because you are likely following the Ben Brewer trial here in Hamilton County Criminal Court. Ben Brewer is a 42-year-old commercial trucker. He was making his way up from Florida after he was dropping off some salad dressing. He had his fiancée in the car, and they approached a small hill and crested over it on I-75 on June 25th, 2015. Prosecutors, however, say that he did not brake that day and instead slammed into slowed traffic, continuing for about another 450 feet before he finally stopped. The carnage was extensive and claimed 6 lives in addition to injuring many other folks. Today, we had opening statements in the trial, and prosecutors who are putting on the case called about 4 witnesses. Most of them were people who had been involved in the crash in some capacities, crash victims. One was, for instance, a mother from Signal Mountain who was with her husband and children in the car, and she recalled how she stared into her rearview mirror and saw this enormous semi-truck barreling towards them. They were struck in the back and the bumper was pretty messed up, but overall they were okay and got out of there with some whiplash and some minor hip pain. There was another man who recounted how he was merging onto the interstate that day, and how as you looked at the interstate, a lot of the drivers were having to merge to the right because there were some lanes closed and there was some construction ahead. After the crash, he said he got out, walked up, saw, again, just awful things. Smoke, fire, burned cars. Made it up to where Ben Brewer's tractor trailer was and saw him get out, check the front, and then get back in. I suspect as we go into the afternoon here that we're going to see more law enforcement officers recounting their investigation into all of this, what they noticed on scene, what happened from there. A big argument that his public defenders are making is that the state will have to prove vehicular homicide by way of intoxication. So they're going to have to prove that he was under the influence at that moment. Sort of a big arguing point for them will be that there were 2 drug tests and that they showed different amounts of methamphetamine and amphetamine in his system. That's a little bit in the future though, because the defense has not put on their case yet. It's about a couple minutes before 1:30 here, and we will head back into the courtroom at that time. If you follow me on Twitter at Zack Peterson 918, I'll have live updates. And if you stay with the Times Free Press website, that's timesfreepress.com, you should see more information there as well. Thanks for following, and have a great day.